G'day guys, Salty Davenport here. We are down in the southwestern region of Western Australia. Wine and surf country, what better place to be? We're down at Castle Rock. You may be able to see in the background here. Look, it's not the best weather at the moment, which is the perfect time to put on my brand new black duck seat covers. These guys will keep your interior clean, dry, more importantly, especially when you're down here running around, jumping in and out of the surf, fishing, swimming. You can jump straight in onto your black duck seat covers and not have an issue in the world. First things first, keep it simple. Start from the top, work your way down. Easy as that. Now I am very excited to get these on, guys. Been a bit worried about the brand new seats and having the dog and jumping in and out of the surf. You know, jumping back into the car all wet. You know, what better way to finally have my seat covers all protected, or my seats all protected, and not another worry in the world after you put these on. So once we've got, as you can see here, guys, we've got two holes, no joint in between, so you need to take off your headrest to put this one on. Now this is your backrest. Nice and easy, black duck seat cover, logo facing forward. And as I said before, guys, it's a nice snug fit. Take everything out of the back of your seat, otherwise you won't be seeing it for a while. And just pull them down. It's not hard at all. Line up the top so you can see down into your headrest. Put that in first and then you can tighten it all up. So where it is, there it is. Beautiful. So now just a couple last pull downs, making sure it's all tight. Now this bit of Velcro, you're pushing through here, this little gap. So you're pushing it through here and then linking it up with the Velcro at the back. And that'll keep your seat cover on for as long as you need. So once again, a bit of a slide from the front of the seat. Make sure it's not going over any handles, you want full access. Push that through. Alright, that is already stuck on the back there now. Now, like I said, you've got these last bits here that will wrap around and also hook on just like that. Alright guys, so this is the very last part of the black duck seat covers and we're going to the back seat. This will protect your back seat, whether it's new or old, you want to keep it in that primo condition that it's in. This black duck seat cover is going to do the job, and whether it's your dog, your kids, sand from the beach, dust from the desert, this is what you want to put on. So, just as with the front seats, three parts. Headrests off. Alright, now, it's probably not going to be the easiest with the amount of shit I've got in the back right now. However, I can still show you with all the stuff in the back leaning against this seat, fridge, fishing rod, surfboards, it's still possible to get it done quite easy. Alright, now we'll quickly slip the headrests on. Number one. Headrest number one done. Number two. Where are you? Guys, how easy is this to protect your seats? The same as the front seats. These need to tuck through. Now they're split here to keep room for your seat belts, as you can see. Right, 3 sections, you know, tuck them through, jump into the back of the car and just latch it up, because the Velcro will also be hanging out the back. So I'll tuck these through and we'll sort this out later. Make sure your seat belts are through. 1, 2, 3. Alright, last bit guys, I think it's time for a beer. So, seat belt out, tuck, make sure the front is nice and taut, you can feel the seat there, just like when you're putting your socks on, right, you don't want any dangly bits at the front. There we go, and once again, because I've got so much crap in the back of the car, we'll sort out the Velcro afterwards, but it is just as simple as the front. Simply just getting to the back of the seat, linking them all up, and then you're on your way guys.